Welcome to all. There is mainly four type of image format people will export. One is GIF. GIF mainly using icons and uh, buttons. All the things we are when you are created from Photoshop, we are using GIF. Mainly 256 colors only support that. So there is we will get a very good compression. And PNG also the same. And PNG and uh, PNG 8 you will get the transparency, and PNG 24 also will get the transparency, but size would be bigger. And JPEG is mainly we are using for photographs. So whenever you think that any icons or button you need to be export as GIF or PNG 8, any photographs with the transparency you can export as PNG 24. Any photographs only there is no transparency, then you can export as JPEG. So we'll go to the Photoshop. So this is a one image. This has a lot of photographs and everything. So you can do that file, export, then go to export as this one. This you need to go here. You can select the one is JPEG, and here you can take two ups. What you can do, the second one may you can this is PNG. You can convert JPG. Then you can reduce the size quality. So here you can see it is uh, it's around 304 kb, and here it is changed as 123. Means it is almost come as half. So what is an advantage of this half? It is easily can display on the web, and immediately you can reduce it. So why we need the using this? To reduce the size we are using for one ups and two ups. And here you can also change. Here also you can change and check PNG how much it is taking. So PNG here it's also 1.2 MB. It is higher. Okay, so JPG is doing is less. So whenever you are creating the image, you are exporting because of the type of the requirement. You can do more compression. Here also the previous video I talked about resampling is there. Yes, bicubic is there. Again, I am canceling this. I am going to have any buttons. I have created any buttons. Okay. So this is a button I told you every last time also. Whenever you are working on a web designer or UX designer or for that, so web and mobile, you need to give very compressed images to for development. So here I am giving okay that file export and export as. So this one I here am giving two ups. Here I am giving again GIF. So both places they are giving 3 KB. 3 KB. Okay, now I am changing this to PNG. So now this is a PNG 24. This is also giving 3.1. Now I am changing to PNG 8-bit. So now it is reduced to the second one, the selected one. Checked one is 2.3 KB. Here is a 3.1 KB. Here is a 3 KB. And whenever you are giving 1x and 2x and export, so why this is using? I told you in web you are working on a 72 pixels, 72 ppi, and if in a print 300 ppi. But the same way, whenever the mobiles are there, the higher resolution mobiles need higher pixel value images. So if your Android mobile minimum they required 3x. This again this computer screen also there is a multiple resolution, because more resolution the image size will be reduced. So that more resolution file we need to give 2x 3x images they need to give, so then only the same size will be maintained. So for that, all the developers will ask 1x, 2x, 3x. Depends upon the mobile or screens. Automatically, it will pick the image from the repository. That programming is done by developers, but they will ask this. And one thing you need to understand here: whenever you are exporting or buttons, you need to export as PNG, 8 or GIF. Any photograph with the transparency, okay, that I will take on next video. So you can export here. Okay, thank you for watching this.